Kaffir limes aren't just for cooking. Today, I'm going to share 4 amazing hacks to keep your kitchen clean, fresh, and bacteria-free, completely naturally. Let's dive in. For extra greasy dishes, simply place a thin slice of Kaffir lime on your sponge and add a little dish soap. The natural citric acid cuts through grease instantly, leaving your plate squeaky clean with a refreshing scent. Don't throw away any part of the lime. First, cut the lime and squeeze out all the juice, making sure to remove the seeds. Set the juice aside. Next, take the peels and slice them into very small pieces to release their natural oils. Now, bring water to a rolling boil. Once it's boiling, turn off the heat and immediately add the sliced peels into the pot. Cover it tightly with a lid to trap all those powerful essential oils inside. Let it sit and steep until the water cools down completely. Once cooled, strain the water into a bowl. Then pour in the fresh lime juice we prepared earlier. Finally, mix this concentrated lime water with your regular dish soap. Pour the mixture into a bottle, and you've got a professional-grade antibacterial dish soap for your daily use. To get rid of tough fish or meat smells on your wooden cutting board, rub a slice of Kaffir lime directly onto the surface. It's a natural way to eliminate odors and kill bacteria effectively. Finally, if your kitchen sink has a bad smell coming from the drain, just place 1 slice of Kaffir lime in the sink strainer. It will neutralize odors and keep your kitchen smelling fresh all day long. Simple, natural, and highly effective. Give these hacks a try. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. Thanks for watching.